Okay, we are going to revisit the bag. And we're going to take out two things. The Wi-Fi high gain antenna and the NIX antenna pole. We're going to open the machine and you will notice there are two magnetic bases. Now, I'm a little short, but I'm going to get on this chair and I will screw clockwise the Wi-Fi antenna in the back and the NIX antenna in the front. You will notice there is a third hole. This is because of a wireless cellular device, which is not going to be in this video, in which case there is going to be an extra antenna. In the event that the holes don't line up, you can shift these magnetic mounts, and when you look in the top, you will be able to line it up. When both of these are screwed in clockwise, we'll reboot the machine by flicking the power breaker off and on.